So in here, you have all of your articles. Now, if you want to search, you don't need to search the titles. You can actually just search a word like responsibility, and it'll show all of the articles that have the word responsibility in them. So that makes immediately the information that you're putting out there that much more indexable and understandable by your employees. You can also view it sorted by title, by category, by the date it was created, by the date it was last edited. So this all makes it really simple for you to understand things as they're changing and gives you a really great overview. Now, when you create an article, we also have templates. So if you don't want to have to create an article yourself, you can just grab one of our templates, put in the company name, and Bob's your uncle. Let's give this a title. And let's select a category. You can create whatever categories you want, but we're going to call this in handbook. So what gets really cool here is we can assign this automatically based on the individual. We can assign it by the division or by the post. And that way, when you add someone to that division, they'll automatically get assigned all the policies. So pretty cool. Now, when we publish this, we have a whole article, and an employee reading it can mark it as read. So that way, you know, did people understand? Does someone know this, right? You can see over here, it's audit log, who's read what, which brings a lot of clarity. And you can even see like any of your employees who was read it, if this has been read by more people. And if you want someone to restudy it, you can just click reassign. So all these things make it really simple to keep the data out. But where it gets really cool is if I do an edit. So let's say I remove this line and I add some new text into here. Okay. So now when I republish this, it actually will strike out what I removed, show what was added. A new email gets sent to me in this case, or any employees who read it before, and they get a new chance to mark it as read. So that way you never have to worry about who knows what. And if you change something, is there ambiguity? It's all extremely clear at all times. Now, like I said before, this is a tool that only works for what you need it to. So you could leave it at just that, just having policies, just assigning it. But if you want to, you can control onboarding by creating a course. Now, a course can have multiple articles in it. You can put them in an exact order. People can answer questions in order to get to the next article. And that way you can control their onboarding. You can have a course for one single hat. Everything about sales can be in one course. You can assign that to someone when they take on a sales role. And that way you don't have to worry about managing this stuff. Instead, if you update something, they get notified about one policy, which gives the full clarity of what they know. You can even go over here to a employee profile. You can scroll down to the bottom here and you can see all the policies they've read. So you know, this is what they know, this is when they read it, this is the last time it was edited, right? Do they know the current version or not? And you have all of that clarity. So management has tons of automations, which make managing and training employees easy. You gotta check it out.